Assalamualaikum. Pleased to have you guys back on my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing my monthly favorites. This video is inspired by so many YouTubers, yet this video is going to be really unique in itself, because in my video I will be combining 2 months together, and उन 2 महीने में मुझे जो भी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी in terms of any product, in terms of books, in terms of YouTube channels, in terms of my life, or you can say my learnings, whatever. So in that sense I will be sharing my monthly favorite. So basically it's monthly favorite once in 2 months. So this is going to be a series where I will be doing my monthly favorites once in 2 months, because you know my life is not that interesting and I do not purchase a lot many things on monthly basis, on regular basis. So that's how it is going to be. So yeah, let's start with this is going to be the first video in this series. So in this video I will be sharing my favorites from the month of July and August. I have 4 categories. That is, number 1, I have makeup products, makeup and skincare products. Then I have books to share, and then I have my channels, YouTube channels that I very recently started watching, and then I enjoyed their content, so that's what I will be sharing. And then last but not the least, I have my few learnings from both the months. Okay, so let's start with the first category, that is makeup and skincare. And I don't know why I kept this category first, because when I was sitting down to write the idea of this video, it was the learnings. So for the first category I have just 3 products over here, and I think all of these products were purchased in the month of August rather than July, because I think I did not do any kind of shopping in the month of July. But yeah, so let's start. I think I have already spoken about this product, that is the Swiss Beauty mascara, in my previous video, I guess, or not, I don't remember. But I have spoken about this mascara a lot on my Instagram page. I think I don't remember the last makeup related video that I did, I covered it or not, but most probably it's not covered, because I purchased this in the month of August. And right now I am wearing this same mascara. It's the mascara from Swiss Beauty Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara, and it's a very good mascara for everyday basis. Yeah, I think I just remember I have talked about this mascara in one of my vlogs that might have gone live already. So this one was my monthly favorite, product number 1. And then this is the Insight Cosmetic Essentials Non-Transfer Lip Color. It's a mini lipstick. The color is very pretty, and to be honest I am wearing this color after so long, and I'm so in love with this color. It's the prettiest color. Yeah. And last but not the least, this is Swiss Beauty lip liner, a lip liner that I'm trying for the very first time in my life. And let me just show you. It doesn't stay for a very long time, but yeah, the color is pretty good. I really like the color a lot, and I'm currently wearing this lip liner as well. Okay, now moving on to my books wala section. So in the month of July and August, I read quite a few books. I think almost 4 to 5 books, which may be a very small number to few people, but for me it was a big achievement. And I enjoyed almost all of those books, except few books. Okay, like 1 or 2 books were the books that I did not really enjoy. But in this video I am covering only 2 books, that is 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and then it ends with us. Because and yeah, to be honest, this 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo is half read by me, but I'm sure this book is a complete bomb. Even though I haven't completed, but yeah, I'm sure this book is a bomb, because I have enjoyed. I have read around 190 pages in, and the book is of 400 pages, I guess. मैंने आधी बुक इंजॉय करी हूँ और बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से मैंने इंजॉय की हूँ. लाइक आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस बुक टू टर्न आउट सो गुड. So far I have enjoyed this book a lot. And also this book has my heart. Okay, the story, the characters, the character build up, the friendships, the love, and also the message behind the whole story. It's fabulous. It's just fabulous. I think I was enjoying a book from a very different perspective after so long. These two were the books that I couldn't keep down, and I was like, bhai fatafat complete karo, because they were so good. They just have my heart. Yeah, that's the best line I can use to describe them. Next category is YouTube channel, and when I subscribe to a particular channel, it is more like either I'm getting some kind of inspiration from those videos, or I'm getting some kind of knowledge, and very least amount of time it is all about entertainment, right? So I followed few of I have been following them, but I wasn't watching their content very consistently. But this past 2 months I have been watching their content on regular basis, almost on regular basis. Okay, so first channel is Too Harsh by Harsh. I think the YouTuber's name is Harsh. His channel's name is Too Harsh. Okay, he covers social Indian topics, such as one of the videos that I can remember right now of his was how Indian students and Indian people are so desperate to go to USA, and how are they willing to cross the border illegally and at the same time put their life in danger. Then he also covered the topic Manipur riots that was going on. So basically he covers all the social and the current topics that is going on in India. Okay, so the second channel is Wendy's Skin. So I really enjoy her shorts. Okay, I subscribe to her channel just because I love the way she put in a story within that few seconds. Within a minute of shorts, she covers a whole lot of story of her life, and not just the story, but she would be saying some event that took place in her life, and at the same time she would be doing her skincare, she would be doing her makeup and all of those things, and that's very fabulous. I don't know, for some reason it's very calming to watch her videos. Third channel that I have for you is the lifestyle log. Either it's log or cog. Okay, I will write it on the screen, but basically I too enjoy her short content. Okay, short form of content, because she really does it really well. And basically her channel covers the styling aspect of fashion industry. How can you style a particular shirt in different ways, a particular trouser in different ways, and just get ready with me. That's all going on her channel, and it's very good to see. I just enjoy such kind of content a lot. So yeah. And then last but not the least, I have Lakshya Chaudhary's channel. So I came across his channel again few months ago, but I was like, okay, I just saw one or two of his videos back then, and I was like, okay, kya dekhna hai. But then I started watching his videos whenever they would come live, and to be honest, I enjoy his sense of humor, as well as I enjoy how maturely he handles a particular situation or a particular roasting that he does. He doesn't roast for the sake of roasting, but he roasts in a very respectful manner, I guess. Okay, so now this brings us to the last category, that is the learnings. Okay, so for past few months I have been searching for jobs, right? And one very big learning for me was not to get intimidated by certain type of places or certain type of people. That was something that I actually have to put my efforts into it, to learn not to get intimidated. Because I remember this one interview I had in a such huge building, and I was so intimidated by everything that was around me. I felt a little underconfident, but yeah, when it came to my interviews, I gave my 100%. It's just that it is okay if you are intimidated by certain type of people or certain type of places. It's just that stay calm and try not to respond in a way that shows that, dude, you are intimidated by certain people, because that is not at all good. So that was a biggest learning for these last 2 months in my life, that I really have to put in effort to get over that issue, you can say, or you can say just a very minute feeling of mine. I'm not very comfortable at such places, but as I will start working, and as I will get to know such places better, and start living around such people more often, and I think and that would just decrease this intimidating part. And then the second learning for me was to stay kind and humble no matter what. I'm saying this especially because the world that we live in is really, really hard. I don't know why, but I'm feeling it that way. I'm feeling that the world around me is really harsh to me. I don't know if it's with everybody or not, but it is with me, and I can only share my experiences, right? So for me, the world is too harsh, and sometimes this harshness just sucks out the goodness in you. It just sucks out your kindness, but then it is totally and completely up to you, that it is that whether you preserve those good attributes, that soft attributes of yours, or not. This month I was just trying to stay, as much as I was trying to preserve my soft attributes, because they make me, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.